Good morning again. Hope you all had a great weekend. Rested up a little bit. Market in the green as we speak right now. We'll see if that holds. Continuation from end of last week. Welcome, Mark. Glad to have you here. Glad to have you joining us today. Feel free to jump right in the mix here. Ask what the heck we're doing, where things are at on the board. David, right above where you're chatting right now in that chat box, okay, you'll see two little tabs between where you're chatting and below all the names. The A, the one that has that little A around it, that is the announcement tab. So far there's nothing there today. That gets cleared out daily, but that's where it's at. And team, yes. So we have a stop exit in team for the balance of our trade.